Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to start our exercise 6.4 of chapter number 6 triangles. There is a theorem students. The theorem is the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. मीनिंग जो सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स हैं उनके एरिया का जो रेशो है दैट इज इक्वल टू द square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Let us draw the figure first of all. No need to learn the proof of this theorem students, you have to learn the property because the syllabus में जो है proof of this theorem for this year is deducted and you all know that the pattern of exam is already changed. So first of all we have to write given in figure. आपको जो ट्राइंगल्स हैं दे ऑलरेडी सिमिलर गिवन है. ट्राइंगल ए बी सी इज सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर. टू प्रूव now we have to find the ratio of their area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR. We have to prove that is equal to the square of ratio of their corresponding sides. This word is very important. When the triangles are similar, you all know, then AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR एंड इज इक्वल टू AC बाई APR होता है. बट एरिया के रेशो में क्या होगा, देयर विल बी स्क्वेयर ऑन दीज कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स. मीनिंग एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC बाय एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वेयर बाई PQR क्यू स्क्वेयर भी हो सकता है, BC स्क्वेयर बाई QR स्क्वेयर भी हो सकता है एंड AC स्क्वेयर बाई PR स्क्वेयर भी. For this what we have to do, first of all we have to do a construction here. Draw AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. Now you can see area of triangle ABC will be 1 by 2 into BC into AM. Similarly, area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 into QR into PN. We can divide the area of these two triangles or we can find the ratio. That will be equal to 1 by 2 into BC into AM. 1 by 2 into QR into PN. It will cancel out and we get BC into AM is equal to QR into PN. And we have to prove that ratio of area is, there must be square BC square by QR square. तो it means AM by PN को हमें BC by QR के equal prove करना है. For this what we have to do, again in figure, in triangle ABM and PQN, you can see angle B is equal to angle Q. Why? Because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and we can say angle M is equal to angle N is equal to 90. This is by construction. So therefore by a similarity rule, triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN. So we get AB by PQ is equal to BM by QN and is equal to AM by PN. Here we get that AB by PQ is equal to AM by PN. But AB by PQ is also equal to BC by QR because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR आपको given है. Here you can say AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So we get BC by QR is equal to AM by PN. तो इट मीन्स इस रिलेशन को हम इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में पुट कर सकते हैं. पुटिंग इन इक्वेशन 1. In equation 1, I can put the value of AM by PN as BC by QR. We get BC by QR is already there, and in place of AM by PN we have to write BC by QR, and here we get BC square by QR square. Similarly, we can prove area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square by PQ square and is equal to AC square by PR square, and you can write hence proved. Students, you have to learn this identity for the questions given in exercise. Let us start the exercise now. Question number 1 of exercise 6.4. Let triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Now, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. And area of triangle ABC is given as 64 centimeter square, and area of triangle DEF is given to you 121 centimeter square, and EF जो side है that is given to you 15.4 centimeter, and we have to find BC. We know if the triangles are similar, then the ratio of their area is equal to the square of ratio of their corresponding sides. So I can write it as BC by EF and then square. Now area of triangle ABC is 64, this is 121, and EF की जो value है that is 15.4 square, and I have to find BC square. For this what we have to do, we will split 64 and 121 as we can write 64 as 8 square and this one as 11 square. BC square by 15.4 square. Therefore, we get, now we can find the value of BC. BC will be equal to 8 into 15.4 by 11. And we get BC is equal to 11.2 centimeter. Question number 2. Here you have to write on comparing. Powers को cancel नहीं करना है, but you have to write on comparing and then cross multiplying. You can add one more step here like this. 8 by 11 is equal to BC by 15.4 and then you get BC. Diagonals of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD. Draw the figure of a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. And also it is given that its diagonal intersect each other at point O. So we will draw the diagonals intersecting at O. And it is given that AB is double of CD. In trapezium ABCD हमें given है AB parallel to CD. And one more thing, that is AB is equal to double of CD. You can write AB by CD is equal to 2 by 1. It means जो side AB and CD का ratio है that is 2:1. And we have to find the ratio of the area of triangle AOB and COD. ये ट्राइंगल AOB एंड COD के एरिया का हमें रेशो फाइंड करना है. बिफोर दैट वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर. Here we can write angle 1 and this one as angle 2. Angle 1 and 2 are equal because these are vertically opposite angles. Similarly, angle 3 is equal to angle 4 because AB is parallel to CD and AC is transversal. So alternate interior angles are equal. In figure, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, vertically opposite angles. And angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Why these two angles are equal? Because these are alternate interior angles. So therefore, by AA similarity rule, which two triangles are congruent now, similar now? Think of the triangles. The first point is O. AB is similar to triangle OCD. Now these two triangles are similar, therefore their corresponding sides are in same ratio. We can write OA by OC is equal to AB by CD is equal to OB by OD. And AB by CD जो है ये हमें already given है 2/1. तो it means because these two triangles are similar, therefore ratio of their area. Therefore, area of triangle AOB by area of triangle COD will be equal to AB square by CD square. Or you can say 2 square by 1 square is equal to 4:1. So this is the answer of this question. Now question number 3. In figure, triangle ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. Taking BC same base, we have to draw two triangles like this. This is triangle ABC and second triangle is BDC. Because the type of triangle, nothing is given here, so we can draw any figure and its diagonals intersect. These two triangles, and AD intersects BC at O. Now we have to show that area of triangle ABC का area and triangle DBC, that is equal to AO by OD. First of all, what we have to do in this question, सबसे पहले हमें कंस्ट्रक्शन को करना है एंड ट्रायंगल AOL एंड DOM को सिमिलर प्रूव करना है. See, you can see, first of all, what we have to do, that is construction. Draw AL perpendicular to BC and DM perpendicular to BC. Both perpendiculars are drawn on the common base BC. Now, in triangle AOL and DOM, see, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, vertically opposite angles. And one more angles are also equal, angle 3 and angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is equal to 90. This is by construction. So therefore we get triangle AOL similar to triangle DOM. By which rule? AA similarity rule. So we get, now we can write the ratio AO by DO is equal to OL by OM and AL by DM. Save this result now. Now again you can write the area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC. See the figure and write down the area of triangle ABC. BC is base, so 1 by 2 into BC, and height is AL. Similarly, area of triangle BDC will be, base is BC. Why I am taking base here BC? Because both the sides are drawn on the same base BC पर ही heights को draw किया है DM, and these two cancel out and it will be AL by DM, and AL by DM की वैल्यू इन इक्वेशन 1 हमने फाइंड की है AO by DO, बट फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 AL by DM जो है that is equal to AO by DO. So we can write area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO. Hence proved. Next question. If the area of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. We have to remember this statement students, because इसके ऊपर आपके पास डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आ सकता है एग्जाम में. मीनिंग क्या है? अगर टू सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स के एरिया इक्वल हो जाएं तो वो कॉन्ग्रुएंट भी होंगी. तो अब बट वी हैव टू प्रूव दिस स्टेटमेंट. So first of all, draw the figure of two similar triangles. This is triangle ABC and PQR. Given triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, and और क्या given है? Area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. And to prove, we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Now, let us start the proof. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR will be equal to, because these two triangles are similar, so therefore ratio of their area will be equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides. So AB square by PQ square, BC square by QR square, and AC square by PR square. And but area equal given है, so we can write, but area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. This is given. So it means area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR will be equal to 1, because both the areas are equal. So we can write 1 is equal to AB square by PQ square, BC square by QR square is equal to AC square by PR square. And we get, when you put AB square by PQ square is equal to 1, we get AB square is equal to PQ square. Similarly, we get BC square is equal to QR square, and we get AC square is equal to PR square. Or we can say AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR. So therefore, by SSS congruency rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Hence proved.